The EuroPlus tool carriage is the perfect system for organizing and storing Unior tools. It is the ideal size for every workshop. The EuroPlus's load-bearing parts are made from sturdy, high-quality sheet steel with a thickness of 1.2 millimeters. The ABS top of the carriage is designed so that the work area is 20% larger compared to standard carriages. There are also 3 tool storage compartments on the top for storing small tools, providing a better overview and making it more functional for the user. Due to the high edge of the carriage, tools and other items stay in place and can't roll off. For extra support, there is a pull-out shelf on the side of the carriage. The EuroPlus tool carriage has drawers that provide a good overview and easy access to tools. Their total load capacity is up to 40 kilograms. The drawer's ball-bearing slides are of higher quality in comparison to standard models. They run smoothly and almost inaudibly and allow for a 10% load increase. The drawer closing mechanism prevents unwanted opening of the drawers. When necessary, drawers can be removed simply by pressing the plastic safety buttons. The side of the EuroPlus tool carriage is very functional. The perforated steel sheet is a convenient place for hanging tools and other accessories. There are also 2 useful waste baskets, a practical handle for moving the carriage, and a lock inside the frame within the carriage's outside edge so that the key cannot be damaged. A structural coating of paint ensures a firm grip and resistance to corrosion. The metal parts of the EuroPlus tool carriage are additionally protected with an eco-friendly cadmium and lead-free coating. The edges are enforced with anti-shock protectors that protect the tool carriage and its surroundings from damage. For mobility and stability, the carriage has durable wheels with a safety brake. The carriage remains perfectly stable, even when fully loaded and pushed over an obstacle. There are several accessories available to customize the EuroPlus. It is possible to fit a perforated tin backboard, a paper holder, and ZOS inserts. With the EuroPlus tool carriage, your workshop will always be tidy. The IBEX combination wrench's design features 2 different profiles that give the wrench more functionality. These profiles are IBEX and Life. Due to its innovative shape, the IBEX combination wrench has a 3-point grip for greater force and 100% precise positioning. Both profiles ensure that the nut remains safe from damage, as the force is not placed on the corners of the nut when the wrench is in use. In comparison to standard wrenches, IBEX is much faster to work with, as it requires no removing while rewinding. With the IBEX combination wrench, you can easily reach hard-to-reach places. The IBEX combination wrench, an impeccable tool for easy and precise use. The flexible reversible ratchet is made from special tool steel. Its body is drop forged. The flexible reversible ratchet has 75 teeth and a working angle of 4.8 degrees. It allows for working with a handle inclination of up to 90 degrees with 22.5 degree steps. The socket can be released from the ratchet by pressing the button. For higher efficiency, it is equipped with a safety lock system. The multifunctional electrician's pliers are an essential tool for every electrician. They can be used for 7 different types of operations. You can wind hard wire and bend rings, which can be bent to the right or to the left side, as the pliers have rounding on both sides of the one jaw. You can use them to strip off insulation from diameter 2.2 millimeters to diameter 3.0 millimeters, and diameter 3.5 millimeters to diameter 4.0 millimeters. They can be used to cut wire diameter 2.2 millimeters to to diameter 4.0 millimeters, crimp insulated spade terminals, crimp cable terminals up to diameter 4.0 millimeters, and grip objects with a more delicate surface. The pliers' jaws are serrated to prevent the wire from slipping and ensure a firm grip of cables and wires. Due to their special innovative design and shape, the handles ensure an extremely firm grip. As a result, they prevent slipping and enable safer and more effective transmission of power, as well as greater stability. The multifunctional electrician's pliers allow great precision and maximum efficiency with minimal strain. The Hippo variable joint pliers are crafted from top-quality special tool steel. They are self-adjusting, which means that the width of the jaws does not have to be manually set and can be used with just one hand. The maximum diameter of gripping object is 40 millimeters. The locking mechanism enables safe transport to the workplace as well as easy storage. Hippo pliers are the ideal solution for working with all types of surfaces, as they ensure full adjustability to the workpiece regardless of its shape. The water pump pliers are made from top-quality chrome vanadium steel. The jaw aperture can be adjusted quickly and easily to provide the required grip of an object with the use of the button for quick jaw adjustment. The jaw aperture is adjustable to 10 positions. The maximum diameter of the gripping object is 40 millimeters. The handles minimize slipping, provide greater support, and enable safe and effective transmission of power from the hand to the jaws. Due to the slim-line construction, the water pump pliers can be used with just one hand, which is useful when working in hard-to-reach places. The water pump pliers ensure work safety. The lock ring pliers are made from special tool steel. The tips of the internal lock ring pliers are hardened to 58 HRC and inserted at an angle that prevents the circlip from sliding off the tips. The lock ring pliers are used for fitting circlips to shafts. Several sizes are available, from circlip diameters from 8 mm to 100 mm for internal lock ring pliers, and circlip diameters from 3 mm to 100 mm for external ones. The sizes are indicated on the pliers for easier and faster tool selection. There are several types of lock ring pliers available for different applications, and additionally, straight or bent types. Straight, external, bent internal, and straight internal. The main advantage of the plus-line lock ring pliers in comparison to standard lock ring pliers is that they are 30% more durable. The wheel and rack grip pliers are used for gripping, rewinding, and holding of objects of various forms. The chrome-plated nut on the handle is used to precisely adjust the grip width and strength. Once the desired grip width is adjusted and the object is firmly gripped, apply moderate force to the lever and lock the pliers in position. The pliers' grip is firm and self-locking. To unlock them, simply release the lever on the handle. The wheel and rack grip pliers allow a firm grip of objects of various forms. The crimp grip pliers are made from top-quality sheet steel. The crimp grip pliers have a strong square crimping profile for electrical plating, 0.08 to 10 square millimeters, that provides a better grip than traditional crimping profiles. The pliers can self-adjust to the desired wire size. The reinforced connecting spring prolongs the lifespan of the crimp grip pliers. The tin snips are drop forged and made from special tool steel. Their inserted blades are extremely powerful and have a very long lifespan thanks to being induction hardened. A distance part protects the user from injury and makes sure that they are safe to use. The tin snips have a wide range of uses and are suitable for cutting sanded sheet metal of up to 400 newtons per square millimeter and thickness up to 1.5 millimeters. The tin snips are an innovative and efficient solution for cutting sanded sheet metal professionally. The body of this engineer's vise is made from cast iron. Its jaws are made from hardened and tempered carbon steel. UniPro slides are installed on the vise to ensure precise and fast running of the moving parts. The vise is fitted with a quick-moving system. By pressing the lever, you can easily move the moving parts to the object you are working on.
The working area can be used for locksmithing.
This engineer's vise also has fixed jaws for gripping pipes. It's also possible to install an additional swivel base that rotates 360 degrees. The Quick Iron Gator engineer's vise stands out due to its modern design and extreme durability. Bolt cutters with interchangeable triangular cutting edges are the ideal solution for cutting reinforcing steel rod. The triangular blades are extremely sturdy and force-resistant and have a triple lifespan compared to regular cutters. The jaws are exchangeable and adjustable to 3 positions, as well as entirely hardened and tempered. They can be used to cut reinforcing steel rods up to 16 millimeters in diameter. A shock absorber has been fitted to ensure safety and prevent injuries. The blades may become loose with prolonged use and should be adjusted. To adjust the blades, unscrew the safety nut, pull the screw out of the groove, and twist it until the blades are no longer loose. Then push the screw back into the groove and secure the safety nut back on. Insulated wrenches, pliers, and other tools for working with live electrical installations are made from high-quality tool steel. A special feature of these insulated tools is the process of multi-layer plastification, which guarantees a top-quality product safe for use around live circuits. As a second line, they are a product insulated with dual-component tubes. Unior insulated tools are tested according to Videi regulations and comply with the internationally acknowledged European standard that allows these tools to be used around live circuits of up to 1,000 volts. Each tool is tested individually and must pass an electrical test. Unior insulated tools are made in compliance with standard N6900 that prescribes the basic requirements such as dimensions, hardness, and sample mechanical testing. The tools must be replaced immediately when the insulation is worn out. Unior insulated tools are thoroughly tested and guarantee work safety. Videi screwdrivers are made from chrome, vanadium, molybdenum steel. Their patented three-component handles are ergonomically designed and fit your hand perfectly. The first layer is made from black polypropylene and surrounds the screwdriver shank to prevent it from turning within the handle in high torque situations. The second layer is made from a very sturdy blue polypropylene and ensures that the handle keeps its shape regardless of environmental conditions. The final layer is gray thermoplastic elastomer, a semi-hard material that gives the handle its ergonomic shape, provides a firmer grip, and prevents slipping. The combination of hard and soft surfaces allows for comfortable work. The handle shape allows contact with the whole palm and fingertips, reduces muscle tension, and puts minimum strain on the wrist. At the same time, more torque is achieved due to better grip and prevents the screwdriver from slipping out of your hand due to the different hardness of the materials. The shape of the handle prevents the rotation on the workspace. The handle does not absorb oil. The hole on the handle is used for hanging the screwdrivers. The tip of the screwdriver can be magnetized with a Unior magnetizer. Unior screwdrivers are available for different types of screw heads. The innovative patented three-component handles allow the optimal grip. Videi screwdrivers. Better grip, greater torque. The non-rebound bumping hammer is made from a high-density alloy steel tube. The inserts are made from acid and oil-resistant polyurethane. The hammer's non-slip plastic handle allows a firm grip. The bumping hammer's main advantages are its great resilience in all weather conditions and the ability to take substantial blows without getting damaged. The bumping hammer is very safe to use, and its main advantage compared to traditional bumping hammers is that it does not bounce back on impact from the surface due to its filling, small steel balls of a certain size and weight. The bumping hammer is used for bearing installation, finishing jobs in the construction industry, furniture fitting, and assembly. It is very useful for working on objects that must not be damaged. The inner bearing puller is made from special tool steel and is entirely hardened and tempered. The puller is designed for pulling out different types of bearings, so it comes in a set with 6 different arms for various inner bearing dimensions. To use the inner bearing puller, grip the bearing from the inner side and pull it out with the aid of a 1 kilogram weight. Before use, screw the pulling arm with the correct dimensions onto the arm with the handle. Next, insert the extractor through the hole in the bearing that you wish to remove. Start screwing on the extractor thorn that is used to open up the puller body, which then adapts to the bearing bores. Now you can start to remove the bearing by steadily hitting it with a sliding hammer. After only a few strokes, the bearing can be removed quickly and easily without causing any damage to the housing. Quick and easy removal of bearings from its housing. The Eurovision tool carriage is a high-quality solution for professional users. Its shape is suitable for every workshop. The load-bearing parts are made from sturdy quality sheet steel with a thickness of 1.2 millimeters. The worktop is standard size, while the raised edge of the worktop ensures that tools always stay in place. The carriage has both small and large drawers that provide a good view of and easy access to tools, as they can be pulled out completely. The closing mechanism prevents drawers from opening accidentally. Removing drawers is very easy. Simply press both plastic safety buttons. The ball bearing slides run smoothly, are almost completely silent, and can support a load of up to 40 kilograms per drawer. On the sides of the tool carriage is a practical handle for moving the carriage around easily. The tool carriage also has a locking system. The carriage is protected against corrosion with a specially structured coating of paint, making it both aesthetically pleasing and instantly recognizable thanks to Unior's signature color. The metal parts are additionally protected with an eco-friendly cadmium and lead-free coating. Sturdy wheels ensure that the carriage is both stable and easy to move. The carriage remains perfectly stable even when fully loaded and pushed over an obstacle, which comes in handy if the workshop floor or the ground is uneven. River nuts are installed on the carrier for attaching accessories. A perforated tool backboard can be added, and partitions and ZOS inserts can be inserted in the drawers. The Eurovision tool carriage is an essential part of every workshop. With the use of the quick-action clamp, clamping is quicker and easier. Its fixed arm and sliding jaws are drop-forged and made from quality steel. The spindle has a rolled thread to ensure maximum clamping force. A locking pawl is installed to prevent accidental opening. The quick-action clamp is used in industrial locksmithing and the wood industry. The test pump for water connections is used for testing water installations using up to 50 bars. All essential parts are corrosion-resistant and replaceable. The ram and cylinder are made from stainless steel, whereas the valve and connectors are brass. These materials are corrosion-resistant and increase the durability and overall lifespan of the pump. The pump must be used in the following sequence. Firstly, close the valve. Then pour in water. The tank's maximum capacity is 12 liters. Next, remove the locking pin. Now connect the outlet hose and start the pumping process.